Hello guys, welcome once again to Elite Minds, and in today's video we'll be taking a look at Deepwaters Testnet. And for the course of this video I'll be making use of my mobile phone. So what you just have to do is to download Kiwi browser on your mobile device and install the MetaMask extension to it. So once you've done that, make sure you head over to chain lists right here, because for Deepwaters Testnet we'll be making use of 4 networks. So you head over to chain lists and you add the 4 networks. First, you head over to Avalanche Fuji, the search icon, and you turn this on. You have to turn this testnet on, as you can see right here. You turn it on and you search for Avalanche Fuji, this right here. As you can see, it's right here. You connect this and you add to your MetaMask. So that's one. The second is Mumbai. The 4 networks we have to add. So I have to search for Mumbai. So this is it, Mumbai. So you also connect and add to your MetaMask. Then the next one is Binance Smart Chain Network. Binance Smart Chain Network. So you just search for Binance Smart Chain Network. So this is it right here, Binance Smart Chain Testnet. So you also add this. You also add this to your MetaMask. You connect and you add. Then the next one is Goerli. So that is one we have to add. So once you've done that, you connect and add to your MetaMask also. So those are the 4 networks you successfully added to your MetaMask. Then you can close this page. All right. So the next thing you have to do is to copy your wallet address right here. You can copy it right here, or you head over to your MetaMask and copy. Then you head over to request for test tokens. So the first one you have to go to is faucet.avax.network. So what you have to do here, after you've successfully copied your wallet address, you paste it right here and you click on request to AVAX, and AVAX will be sent to your wallet address. Then you head back to the next one. Since we are using 4 networks, Binance Smart Chain Network, right here, you also do the same thing. You also do the same thing. You complete this captcha. Once you complete it, you paste your wallet address right there. Okay, you paste your wallet address and you click on give me BNB, and that is all. All right. So the next one we have to go to is Goerli Faucet right here. You also do the same thing. You paste your wallet address here. You click on send me ETH and it will be sent to your wallet. And you click on Mumbai at the top of your screen and it will take you to Mumbai Faucet. And you also paste your wallet address right there and you click on send me Matic. As you can see here, you input your wallet address and click on send me Matic. So those are the 4 networks you have to add. So I'm going to quickly close all these tabs. Alright, so what we'll be using is just Deepwaters and MetaMask. Alright, so once you successfully added all those networks, you click on Faucet right here and you turn this on. All the tokens, you turn them on. And you tweet to claim. You click on tweet to claim and it will take you to your Twitter account. And what you just have to do there is to tweet. Once you tweet, you copy your tweet and you head over to Deepwaters right here and you paste. So this is mine. I'm going to paste and submit. Click on submit. You can decide to put your email address if you want to. It's not compulsory. So I click on submit and I head back to my MetaMask to confirm transaction. Alright, so what we have to do is, after we've requested for tokens and you tweet, after you successfully tweet, you claim your tokens, you have to deposit your tokens in your wallet. So you just have to click on deposit right here. You select token, you select the first one, you input this figure, or let's say the second one, you input. Here is 90. So let's say we are putting 21. So we approve and we head over to your MetaMask to confirm transaction. So this is my MetaMask. I'm going to confirm transaction. Confirm. So transaction is being confirmed. Then I'll head back to Deepwaters. Then I'll click on deposit. Deposit. Head back to MetaMask. Confirm transaction also. Confirm. Alright guys, so that is it. It's quite easy. So you're going to do the same process for the other networks. Alright, you're going to do the same thing for other networks. So this is successful. Alright, it's successful. So I'm just going to cancel, and you do the same thing for both the other tokens. For this, for ZRB, you do it for WTR, USDC, and AVAX. Also, you do the same thing. And when you want to request for faucet, also for Goli, Mumbai, and Binance, you head over to faucets right here. You click on Avalanche text the network, you select network, you change it either to Goli, Mumbai, Binance matching. Let me give you an example. Now, for instance, I want to change my network to Mumbai. I'll click on Mumbai, head back to MetaMask to switch network. As you can see, Polygon Mumbai. Then I switch network. Then it will be confirmed in Deepwaters. As you can see, automatically it has changed to Deepwaters. Now I also have to claim tokens by turning on all these tokens. I have to turn them on, and I tweet to claim. I paste the link of my tweet and I'll claim tweet. So once I've claimed the tweet, I head back to deposit right here on Mumbai network and select the tokens in which I want to deposit, and I will select all of them one by one. I'm going to approve and deposit them in my MetaMask. So that's what you just have to do. All right, so it's quite simple. So once you've successfully added all the tokens for each of the networks, you head over to exchange. When you head over to exchange, you select a chain. Let's say, for instance, Binance Smart Chain. You select a token under the Binance Smart Chain. Let me put USDC. I'm going to input an amount. Here I have 68 USDC, so I'm going to input 13, and I will select the chain. I'll select Binance Smart Chain Testnet also. Select the token, and I have just 1.0040 of BNB. So I'm going to submit my limit order. I will click on submit limit order and go to my MetaMask to confirm the transaction. So I'm going to sign and head back to my Deepwaters portal. Alright, limit order submitted. So that's just it, guys. So that's what you just have to do for Deepwaters Testnet. Very easy. First, you add the networks, the 4 networks, you request for faucets, and you deposit. So that is all, guys. You successfully interacted with the platform. Other features are still coming up. They still have more features that are not working. As you can see, liquidity, ZRB tokens coming soon, WTR coming soon, bridge coming soon. So first we just have to interact with this one for now. All right, so once you've done that, you've successfully interacted with the platform. So I'll see you guys in my next video.